Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use your emergency key, which is inclusive of your remote control key. First, we have the remote control key in our hand, and we can see that we have three kinds of keys with our car. That means we have these two remote keys and one special key for special operations. This is a key card which you can use to unlock stuff in the Audi network, for example. To remove the emergency key, you can press the release catches and the emergency key comes out of the remote control key. There it is. Now we can use our emergency key to a lot of stuff. We can go to our car to make an emergency unlock situation with that key here. If the power supply of your car is not strong enough to unlock the car, for example, or you have a fail function or something else, you can use this emergency key to unlock your system remotely, not you go directly to your car. Now we can use it to lock and unlock our car, our vehicle, our doors manually. We are going to search on the driver's side of the vehicle on our knob the lock to enter this emergency key into it. And then we can, of course, rotate our key to unlock the driver's side doors, or we can use it to lock the driver's side doors. Both is possible with that key, as you can see. Your only job is to rotate it anti-clockwise and the unlock process is done. To get a locking job, you go clockwise and your door is locked, as you can see. This is the main feature behind the emergency key, of course, but your emergency key is possible to use it for more, because we can activate and deactivate on the back side the child locks on the rear doors. If you open the back side, you can see there is a lock. It's only a size there, and we can use our emergency key to lock or unlock the child locks on the rear doors. For this, of course, we have to rotate that, and we can manually lock the vehicle doors on the back side with our emergency key too, as you can see. This is the manually thing if your central locking function does not work proper. Then you can use your emergency key for that job. This is beyond the cover, as you can see. This is possible on all the other doors manually to lock them. After the lock job is done, you see it is locked, so you can lock the entire car by using your emergency key. But of course, that's not all. We can go and use our emergency key to unlock more or lock more. Let's have a seat, and of course we can use it to lock and unlock the glove box. If you have there a lock, maybe it is there, you can unlock it or close it and open it. And the main important thing is, of course, activate and deactivate the front airbag on the passenger side. Really good thing if you like to have a child on the passenger side with you. And that's all. The trunk, of course. You can also lock the trunk to open and close it manually. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Done.